Welcome back everyone. 1 week ago I did an unboxing video of the new Dell XPS 13-inch 9300, the i7 Developer Edition. If you haven't seen that video, there'll be a link below. Please see it. I received a lot of comments from that video. Thank you. In this video, I'll try to answer some of your questions. We'll quickly show the laptop layout. We'll listen to some music to test the speakers. And we'll test the display brightness and keyboard backlight. And I'll finish up with my insights. Keyboard is a good size, goes fully to the edges. Power button is in the top right, where the delete key would be. Takes a little getting used to, but doesn't affect my typing. The palm rest has a bumpy texture, making it comfortable typing for extended periods. We have 2 ports on the right, a Thunderbolt 3 and headphone jack. On the left side, we have 2 ports, another Thunderbolt 3 and a micro SD card reader. Next, we'll test the speakers. Turning off the lights, we can see the keyboard backlight can range from off, mid, to full. With full brightness, all the keys are clearly illuminated. This laptop is equipped with the full HD non-touch display, 16:10 ratio. It offers a good range of brightness. In addition, it comes with an auto dim feature which adjusts to the brightness of your surroundings. Wrapping up, I haven't noticed any audio glitches. I played hours of music on Pandora and YouTube, even on 4% battery, no glitches. Bluetooth pairing with my mouse worked easily. Typing on this laptop felt good. However, if you're coming from a full-size desktop keyboard like myself, it may take a little getting used to, as I noticed my words per minute dropped about 10%. I noticed I kept hitting the equal key when going for the backspace, but that's not a knock on this laptop, just something I noticed about laptops in general. I haven't tried any games on this laptop, but doing some development in Android Studio, I did have it detect the system can run the Android emulator in accelerated performance mode, so that was a nice plus. I did not expect that with the graphics. As for the battery life, I'm not sure about the claim of 19 hours, but I got maybe 16 hours. However, I've only had this laptop for a week, so my numbers may change after some time. Anyway, that's all for now. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching the video. Until next time, bye.